It's time to destroy yourself because the year has just ended. Assalamu alaikum, this is your brother Muhammad Arshad, and today I want to ask you, are you ready to make this the most incredible year yet? If the answer is yes, then I want to help you to transform your life in ways that you've only ever dreamed of. In this video, I'm going to reveal the secrets to not just setting resolutions, but actually living them. I'm talking about real change, real progress, and real happiness, inshallah. At this point, you might be thinking, oh, I do this every year, but by February, all the resolutions just fade away. Well, not this year. I'm here to guide you through a journey of real transformation. This isn't just another motivational video. This is a roadmap to a year like no other. So I want you to hit pause on everything else, grab your notebook and a pen. We're going to be doing this together because what's coming next is going to be the key to unlocking your best year ever. Get ready to be inspired, get ready to challenge yourself, and most importantly, get ready to transform. Because a new year means a new you. You need to make this year unforgettable. Here we go, Bismillah. Part 1, the power of reflection. This is the 2024 plan and it starts with reflection. Get ready to write this down. Take a moment to think about your past year. What were your victories? You know, those moments where you felt unstoppable. What didn't go as planned? And what incredible lessons did you learn from those moments? Personally, I was the happiest when I went to Umrah with my family, with my business partners. It was amazing, alhamdulillah. But on the other hand, I felt like I traveled way too much this year. And I hope that in this coming year, I'm going to tone that down more so that I can do more good work, inshallah. So that's what I want to do. Think about the people that you met. Think about the things you achieved. Think about the days and the times and all of the things that happened to you. Think about what made you happy. What made you successful? What were the things that made you feel like you achieved your goals? Write them all down. And remember, you need to do more of what actually made you happy and excited. Because you see, reflecting is not just looking back. It's about learning from the past and preparing for what's coming, inshallah. Therefore, write all those moments down and then note the key lessons you learned and what you want to change in the next year, inshallah. Part 2, setting your goals. Moving on to setting your goals. This is where the excitement actually builds. It's like planting a seed and then seeing how it grows throughout the year. Think about what really gets you going. Like for me, some of my goals are increasing community engagement through my work, spending quality time with my family, and so on. Now, what about you? Is it career development? Is it building your iman, getting closer to Allah, or maybe just developing your personal relationship? However, always remember, having dreams and aspirations is really good, but you need to be realistic. Don't set a goal so high that you can never reach it. Make sure that all of your goals are actually achievable. Write these goals down and make them specific. And most importantly, set goals that bring you closer to Allah. For example, I'm going to read at least one page of Quran every day, inshallah. Something that can be consistent. Part 3, strategy and action. Now, time to get down to business and transform those goals into a tangible action plan. This is where all of your dreams for the next year actually start to take shape. We need to break down each goal into smaller steps. What actions can you take each month, each week, and each day? Always remember that even the longest journey starts with a single step. For example, if you want to be consistent in reciting the Quran every day, start with a single verse. No matter what happens, I'm going to recite at least one verse of the Quran every single day. That means at the end of the week, I should have recited at least 7 verses, inshallah. So think carefully about your goals and then write down a plan on how to complete them. Part 4, overcoming obstacles. Okay, so you need to remember that life will always throw obstacles in your path. If you have a goal of reciting Quran every day, then it's possible that Shaitan will try to stop you. What you need to do is turn those obstacles into opportunities for growth. And here's how it can be done. Number 1, embracing a growth mindset. First, you need to shift your perspective. Look at things as a challenge and a chance to grow. If something goes wrong, don't ask why me, ask what can I learn from this. 2, change your behavior. If you want to actually change your year, you need to change your behavior. For example, if you're setting a goal of losing some weight, then you can't simply just say, I'm going to start this from tomorrow. I want to eat some more junk food today. Believe me, that tomorrow will never come. So you need to change your behavior right now. 3, effective time management. We often feel overwhelmed because we think we don't have enough time. So break down your tasks into smaller, manageable chunks and prioritize them. Consider using tools like digital planners or apps. Personally, my team plans out their week in a simple spreadsheet. So whenever we're starting our day, all we need to do is look at the planner and all of our tasks are lined up for us. 4, building resilience. Resilience is really important. It's about bouncing back even stronger from setbacks. Practice resilience by setting small goals that are actually achievable. celebrating your progress, and not being too hard on yourself if something isn't done right. Something you can do is put a cross through each task that is done. This will always motivate you to do more, inshallah. 5. Seeking support. Don't go it alone. Surround yourself with people who uplift you. Join communities, find mentors, or team up with accountability partners. Sharing your journey makes it easier and more enjoyable. Part 5. Keeping the momentum. Maintaining momentum is about building and sustaining energy throughout the year. It's about the power of daily habits. For example, I never ever start my day by looking at my phone. My day has to start with Fajr and then reciting some Quran. This routine basically sets a positive tone for the rest of my day. So what daily habit will you commit to? Write it down so you can work on it, inshallah. It could be something as simple as reading for 10 minutes a day or practicing gratitude each morning. Part 6, the art of gratitude and reflection. Finally, the art of gratitude and reflection. This is what is going to bring joy and a feeling of accomplishment on your journey. Regularly check your progress, recognize how far you've come, and then be very grateful for both the wins and the losses, because you're learning from both. Always thank Allah that He has allowed you to come so far, mashallah. And that's it. As we draw this session to a close, I want you to take a moment and look at what you've written down. This is more than just a plan. It's a reflection of your aspirations, a testament to your commitment, and a guide to a year filled with achievement, growth, and fulfillment, inshallah. If you haven't done it, rewatch the video again and do it with me. Remember, the journey you're embarking on is uniquely yours. It will have its challenges, but with determination, iman, and the right mindset, you'll turn those challenges into stepping stones towards your goals. Every day is a new opportunity to grow closer to your dreams and to Allah. Keep your intentions pure, your efforts consistent, and always remember to seek help and guidance from Allah. This session has helped you. Please hit the like button to show your support. Subscribe to the channel for more content like this, and don't hesitate to share this video with friends and people that you care about so they can benefit from the best year ever. And remember to put it into the comments what you're planning for this year, what you're hoping to get from this year, or even if it's just to say ameen so that we are in this together. Thank you for taking the time to join this journey of transformation. Step into this new year with confidence, iman, ready to make it a remarkable one, inshallah. You have the power to create positive change in your life and in the lives of others. Here's to a year of success in terms of your iman and blessings. Ameen. Make this year a year to remember. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.